Harmony in relationships, the foundation of a fulfilling life. Relationships are the heart of human experience. They bring us joy, comfort, and support. When our relationships are balanced, life feels harmonious. We feel loved, respected, and understood. Think of a seesaw in perfect balance. Both sides have equal weight, creating a state of equilibrium. Relationships thrive on this same principle. Balance doesn't mean everything is always equal. It means both individuals feel valued and supported. This balance is essential for personal growth and happiness. When we invest in balanced relationships, we invest in our own well-being. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more insights on building fulfilling relationships. Why balance matters. Unlocking success and support. Balanced relationships are not just about feeling good. They are crucial for our overall success and well-being. When we feel supported by our loved ones, we are more likely to take risks, pursue our passions, and achieve our goals. Imagine a cheerleader cheering you on during a race. Their encouragement gives you an extra boost of energy. Similarly, supportive relationships provide us with the emotional strength to overcome challenges and strive for success. On the flip side, imbalanced relationships can lead to stress, anxiety, and resentment. These negative emotions can hinder our progress and prevent us from reaching our full potential. Balance empowers us to thrive as individuals while nurturing strong, supportive bonds with those we care about. Communication is key, building bridges of understanding. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any balanced relationship. It's about expressing our needs and feelings clearly and respectfully. Just as importantly, it's about listening attentively to our loved ones without judgment. When we communicate openly and honestly, we create a space of trust and understanding. We can address conflicts constructively and find solutions that work for everyone involved. Active listening is crucial. It means paying attention not just to the words being spoken, but also to the emotions behind them. By truly hearing each other, we can build stronger, more fulfilling connections. Respect is the foundation upon which all healthy relationships are built. It means valuing our loved ones for who they are, even if we don't always agree with them. Setting boundaries is equally important. Boundaries are like invisible lines that protect our emotional and physical well-being. They help us define what we are and are not comfortable with in a relationship. For example, setting boundaries might involve saying no to requests that we don't have the time or energy for. It might mean communicating our need for alone time or personal space. Boundaries are not about being selfish. They are about ensuring that our needs are met so that we can show up as our best selves in our relationships. Maintaining balance in relationships doesn't mean being together all the time. It's essential to nurture our individuality and pursue our own interests. Spending time alone allows us to recharge, reflect, and reconnect with ourselves. It gives us the space to grow as individuals, which ultimately strengthens our relationships. Think of it like this. Just as a garden needs both sunshine and rain to flourish, relationships need a balance of togetherness and individuality. Encouraging each other's personal growth enriches the relationship as a whole. Here are some examples of how balance can be achieved in everyday life. Couples. A couple decides to have a regular date night to reconnect and spend quality time together. They also make sure to support each other's hobbies and interests, even if they don't share them. Friendships. A group of friends agrees to rotate hosting duties for their weekly get-togethers. This way, no one person feels overburdened, and everyone gets a chance to contribute. Families' parents make an effort to spend individual time with each of their children, listening to their concerns and celebrating their achievements. They also prioritize their own relationship as a couple, knowing that a strong partnership benefits the whole family. These are just a few examples of how balance can be incorporated into our daily lives. The key is to be mindful of our own needs and the needs of our loved ones, and to strive for a harmonious equilibrium. Finding balance in relationships is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires effort, communication, and a willingness to adapt. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one relationship may not work for another. The key is to find what works best for you and your loved ones. By prioritizing balance in our relationships, we create a solid foundation for happiness, success, and support. We cultivate connections that uplift us, empower us, and help us become the best versions of ourselves.